How to check recently deleted apps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. The App Store is used to discover, download, and manage apps. Users can find a wide variety of apps, including games, productivity tools, and utilities, both free and paid. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Apps. You can view all your apps over here. Go to the Not on this iPhone section at the top. Over here, you can view all the apps that you recently deleted from your phone. Scroll down and tap on the download icon beside any app that you want to get back. Following these steps, you can easily check recently deleted apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.